Welcome to samaditech. Today, we're exploring a lineup of cutting-edge tools that will take your craftsmanship to the next level. Get ready to discover the must-have gadgets from Dalin power tools that every maker needs. Ron Lap's furniture caster set includes 4 3-wheel casters, a lever, and 4 height extension pads. Designed with a low profile, these casters can easily slide under furniture with minimal clearance. Each caster is built for durability, supporting up to 130 pounds and offering 360-degree rotation for effortless movement in tight spaces. Whether you're moving furniture or tackling renovations, the Ron Lap Furniture Dolly is an indispensable tool to make the job smoother and easier. The Festool lever clamp offers one-handed clamping and release, making it incredibly convenient and time-saving. It securely holds both flat and round workpieces thanks to its vertical clamping ability, making it versatile for different materials and shapes. Designed to work seamlessly with the MFT clamping system, it's a perfect fit for MFT3 multifunction tables or MW100 mobile workshops. Capable of clamping parts up to 80 millimeters in height, this clamp is essential for securely holding pieces in place during grinding, planing, drilling, or gluing, ensuring stability for all your projects. The Chamfer plane is an ideal tool for creating smooth edges and precise bevels on various wood types. Its adjustable cutting depth allows for easy customization, while horizontal and vertical bubble levels ensure accurate alignment. Designed for comfort, it fits perfectly in hand for effortless use. The durable carbon steel blades maintain sharpness for long-lasting performance. Additionally, it's easy to disassemble and clean, making maintenance hassle-free. Whether you're working on finishing touches or detailed beveling, the Chamfer plane delivers precision and efficiency in every task. The compact yet powerful electric cutting knife easily slices through fabric up to 1 inch thick. Its octagonal blade design allows for smooth cutting from any angle, while the thin base plate ensures precise, effortless movement across materials. Safety is prioritized with protective blade guards on both the front and side. A standout feature is the built-in sharpener, keeping the blade sharp without the need for manual maintenance. The robust electric motor delivers consistent, reliable performance even for more demanding cutting tasks. The Smart Shield nail guard offers a superior way to protect wires and cables during renovations. Unlike traditional flat plates, this innovative cylindrical design shields wires from all angles. Instead of using multiple standard plates, you only need one Smart Shield for full coverage, making installation quicker and easier. Just slip it over the wires. A key advantage is that it prevents the bulging often caused by regular plates, ensuring your drywall stays smooth and even. Plus, the Smart Shield maintains its shape during installation, avoiding the warping issues typical of standard protection plates. The Oneida Air Systems Dust Deputy Cyclone Separator upgrades your vacuum into a powerful 2-stage dust collection system. Utilizing centrifugal force, it captures up to 99% of dust and debris before reaching the vacuum filter, preserving airflow and prolonging filter life. Offering twice the airflow of traditional separators and smaller cyclones, it pairs perfectly with modern, high-powered vacuums. Its straightforward installation is made easier with ports that fit most standard vacuum hoses, ensuring compatibility and ease of use. The IMUM Live Mini Chainsaw delivers remarkable cutting power, slicing through a 6-inch log in just 8 seconds thanks to its advanced brushless motor, which achieves a cutting speed of 26.2 feet per second. It features an automatic chain lubrication system, so you don't have to pause for manual oiling, and the manufacturer has resolved previous oil leakage issues. Equipped with 2 21-volt batteries, each providing 50 to 60 minutes of runtime, you can work continuously by swapping batteries. These batteries are also compatible with Makita tools. For safety, the chainsaw includes a rotating shield, a locking button, and an ergonomic handle, only activating when both the safety button and switch are pressed, making it beginner-friendly. The drawer installation guide is ideal for both framed and frameless cabinets, offering special stops and tabs for precise alignment, ensuring perfect accuracy every time. A standout feature is its wide clamping area, which keeps it securely in place while you work. Its unique design allows for easy flipping. Face it inward for cabinet rail installation, then flip it outward for attaching the drawer. With a built-in level, you can quickly check for uneven cabinets to avoid future problems. Additionally, its 8 rubber pads prevent slipping and protect cabinet surfaces from scratches, making drawer installation smoother and more professional. The Stanley Folding Workbench is ideal for anyone needing a full-sized workstation that requires minimal space when not in use. Its standout feature is its compact design when folded. It's just 20 centimeters deep, but when opened, it offers a sturdy 90 by 45 centimeters work surface. Mounted on the wall, it becomes a complete workstation with a perforated panel for tool organization, keeping screwdrivers, pliers, and other essentials in easy reach. Installation is quick and easy, with all brackets and screws included. The durable MDF surface can support up to 100 kilograms, ensuring long-lasting reliability. The Dalin Power Tool Universal Set is your all-in-one solution, capable of replacing up to 12 different tools. It's like a true transformer. Just switch the attachments and you're ready for any task. Ideal for household projects or repairs, from assembling furniture to quick fixes. This versatile set has you covered. With 15 power levels for precise control, it even includes a vacuum cleaner and LED light. Powered by an 18-volt battery for dependable performance, it also features a pump attachment for inflating tires or sports gear. Certified, patented, and built with safety in mind. The Marshalltown Sander is crafted from durable but lightweight aluminum, offering strength without adding pointless weight. Its aluminum base is equipped with a rubber cushion to ensure easy, even sanding whilst protecting the floor from damage. The sandpaper clamps preserve the paper securely, doing away with the want for constant changes at some stage in use. A standout feature of this sander is its threaded layout, permitting it to be attached to an extension rod for accomplishing ceilings and different tough-to-get right of entry to areas readily. The painting surface measures 9 3/8 inches by using 3 1/4 inches, making it ideal for larger drywall tasks. If you're tackling a prime drywall repair, this device is a treasured asset which can drastically simplify your assignment. The Black & Decker chainsaw gives a completely unique design with clamping jaws that function like outsized scissors, making it smooth to grab and reduce branches in one simple motion. No greater juggling between conserving the department with one hand and sawing with the opposite. Powered by means of a 4.5 amp motor, this chainsaw can without problems deal with thick branches up to 10 centimeters in diameter, making it perfect for duties that are too disturbing for trendy pruners but not worth hauling out a complete-sized chainsaw. A integrated metal protect covers the jaws, making sure safe operation without risking hand harm. This chainsaw is mains-powered, and its compact, lightweight layout permits you to address even tough-to-attain areas within the lawn without difficulty. The Untwist Tool V2 is a compact and green answer for untangling pairs of wires in Cat5e or Cat6 cables. Operating it is simple. Simply press a button and the rotating head does the work, results easily unraveling and straightening the cord pairs as you guide them through. This versatile device gives methods for straightening, urgent the wires into the pinnacle's hole, or the usage of the grooves on the aspect for extra precision. On an unmarried price, the tool can cope with approximately 2,400 wire pairs, and whilst it runs out of power, it recharges completely in just 45 minutes. Lightweight and smooth to use, the Untwist Tool V2 is a vital helper for all and sundry operating with network cables. The Makita Band Screwdriver is a powerful, battery-operated tool designed to streamline your paintings, particularly if you often need to drive a couple of screws in quick succession. Powered through an 18-volt battery, this screwdriver delivers fantastic speeds of as much as 4,000 RPM, making it best for high-performance tasks. It incorporates screws ranging from 1 inch to 2 1/8 inches in duration. One of its standout functions is the included screw manual, which prevents the screw tape from tangling or folding during garage. Built with a durable aluminum AutoFeed mechanism that is protected from dust, it guarantees long-lasting performance with smooth operation. Despite its electricity and capabilities, the device is compact and cushy to handle, making it clean to use even in tough-to-reach areas. This makes it an amazing choice for each experts and DIY lovers searching out reliability and convenience.